Yo, Joey V, Mockingbird cover. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I've got new videos every Thursday, and I hope you enjoy this. I'm reading off my phone, a little sick, and rest in peace to Roxy. Yo. Jump from a cliff just to fly. Jump into the ocean when I cry. Clarity for when I speak the truth, but I'm mumbling, wondering what I'm supposed to do. This is just another day in the life, yo. It's not a sad song, maybe a sad tone, because I'm so gone. Because this whole song is an open canvas. I see the world vanish. Baby, I'm like you, you're kinda like me too. And we've got a lot of things we really wanna do, but we just keep talking about it. We both gotta move, and thank God you're in school, because I failed quick. I don't wanna be stuck in debt, that's why I bailed quick. But school isn't for everybody, it's a hit or miss. You could get a degree and still be on the street, but this is the USA, the land of the free. And God bless the Marines and all the soldiers giving everything to see us succeed. This whole world has a catch to it. It may seem long and drawn out, but in the end, all you hear is sweet music, and I'm chasing that. I say grace for that. I'll let these people know that I'm giving my life for that. I'm under fire like I'm hunted by a jungle cat, but I run like a cheetah in the heat, free spirit, trying to make my life good, dodging what is wicked. Cause when you give in to sin, you get down with the sickness, and a sick life is void of what is vivid. So protect your intellect and give the Lord respect. Give your mother a hug and your father a check. All the stuff that they've done, never dare to forget. Man, the devil is cold and he's coming for your neck. He's coming for your neck. Yo, but no biggie, we're all in this together. You'll never win all the time, so don't get lost in the pressure. This life that we live in is a dream made from brimstone, so we could all love and find a new home. But we're lost souls in a dark age, in a dark place, looking for God's grace. But we fall fast and try to pick it back up. That's what I'm trying to do, but I just always fall flat. I have a dream of one day having children. That's kind of personal, but we all know the feeling. It's just crazy cause I see people I used to go to high school with a baby on their hip. And much love to the girls making it happen for their kid. Much love to the daddies that would never dare to split, cause these people, they just run away and leave it all behind, forcing the child they made to live such a crazy life. And I just don't think it's right, so I write it in the song. If one day I have a kid, I'll protect him till he's grown. Give him everything I have, cause what I make is my own. Keep him steady when the wind blows, and I'll never forget where I've been at or the people that been there with me. But one day I'm just gonna go, leave it all behind, hoping just to find something better than sitting on the porch thinking how to be a better man. Looking all around me, thinking this can't be the end. My life has just begun, so I'm trying to make a plan, but I get so distracted. People need attention, they want a piece, but they don't help whenever you're in debt, man. That's the kind of thing that makes me so upset. Once you need them most, that's the moment everyone is left. But I'm lucky to have people around me helping me to fly, cause one day it will be over. I just hope that I survive, yo.